Hello everyone, my name is Harshal Gupta. Today I am going to demonstrate the Fitness Tracker app, which is made by me and my friend Shivesh Singh. We have developed this awesome Fitness Tracker app to help you stay fit and hit your goals. As you can see, this is the home screen of the app, which helps you to track your daily steps. Just check out this clean display showing your steps out of 6,000 daily goals. There is even a progress bar which updates as you move. It is not just a step tracker. There is a built-in BMI calculator where you can input your details to see your health category with tips that help you to stay on track. For example, let's select a gender. After that, select your height, for example, 180, and then moving further, let's select a weight. Now let's hit the BMI button to see the result. Now, have you ever wondered about your weekly progress? This app got you covered with a weekly step graph that visualizes your fitness journey over the past week. This was a small overview of our app. Thank you.